Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a door handle. First, gather all your tools, such as a screwdriver set, a trim removal tool, and a new door handle. Ensure you have a safe, well-lit workspace. This preparation will make the entire process much smoother and prevent interruptions. Taking these initial steps saves time and effort later on. To begin, gently pry off the interior door panel using a trim removal tool, being mindful of any hidden screws or clips. Once the panel is off, you'll see the linkage rods connected to the handle. Carefully detach these rods. Finally, unbolt the old handle assembly from the door frame, usually held by 2 or 3 bolts, and remove it completely. Now, take your new door handle and position it in the opening. Secure it by tightening the bolts you removed earlier. Next, carefully reattach the linkage rods to the new handle, ensuring they click firmly into place. Before putting everything back together, test the handle's function to confirm it operates correctly and smoothly. With the new handle installed and tested, it's time to reassemble the door. Carefully align and reattach the interior door panel, ensuring all clips and screws are secured. Double-check that all connections are tight and nothing is loose. Finally, open and close the door several times to confirm the new handle functions perfectly and the door latches securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.